Hey guys, and welcome to Learn How to Dance, where you can find dance tutorials of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, popular dance moves, and other awesome dances. Alright guys, so today we're going to do a dance tutorial on how to do the Copines dance. Alright guys, let's just dive right into it. I'm going to show you guys the first mini section that you're about to learn. Alright, so it goes something like this. Ka, 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 boom, boom. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Alright, now let me break it down for you guys. So the first thing we want to do is the body roll, the isolated body roll, alright? Now this is something that you probably won't learn in a day. I have a detailed tutorial on how to do that if you're interested. I'll leave the link up here and down below. So basically what you want to do is just hit those 4 beats. So you want to go head, to the chest, hip, and then back, alright? So you go ka, 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 ka. Now from here, what you want to do is turn to the front and go pull it back, yeah? So notice how my right knee is going here, here. Twist, twist on my toes. Alright? Here I'm just pulling my right, boom, boom. Okay? Now right after this, what you want to do is go up on your toes and have your hands here as if you're pushing something down, down. Alright? Just 2 times, boom, boom. Alright? Now let me just take it from the tip to top. So we did boom, 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 boom. From here, turn, bam, bam, up on your toes, boom, boom. Let's just try and practice that. We're gonna go super slow. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Turn, pull, and up, down, down. Let's just try that again, same tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Sorry. Pull, and up, down, down. Remember, you're always welcome to pause the video and practice on your own if you need to, alright? Let's just do one last time, a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, 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 boom. Pull, up, down, down. Okay, moving on to mini section 2. Let me just quickly show you the preview here. So this was NF1. We want to go boom, boom, hey, ta, 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 ta. Hey! Okay, now let me explain. So, basically what you want to do with your feet here is go out, back, this was right, and then out with this one, alright? So I want to go out, here, stop. Then I'm going to show you the rest afterwards. So, at the same time, we also want to do this body roll here. Yeah, so basically what I'm doing is I'm rotating my body like this, right? Also, using my hands to do this. Now, if you don't know how to do this, you can practice the isolations, bringing your chest to the front, side, back, opposite side, and then once you're comfortable with this, you can do it in one motion. Whoa, smooth, right? Doesn't need to be that exaggerated, just keep it small. Wait, wait, wait. So, you want to do 1 out here, 1 in the middle, and then you would just want to step out on the last one, alright? So, boom, boom, stop. Let's just try and practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, stop. This slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, stop. Alright, let's practice the rest here. So the rest is, as soon as you step here, you want to switch by saying back in, and then the right goes to the front. Notice how my body is turning, right? So here I was facing to the front. As soon as I hit here, I want to do the switch and go ba ba. Okay? Now, as soon as I go ba ba, I want to go a bit back. So when I go in with my right, gather, and then the left goes back. Okay? So when I do it fast, just look at the feet. Ba 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 ba. Okay, let's just practice the feet actually. So I'm gonna go boom, here, stop, and I switch, and I switch. Okay, we're gonna do that a bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8, bounce, bounce, stop, switch, 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 switch. Again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, bounce, stop, and switch, and switch. Okay? Now at the same time, what you want to do with your upper body is go whoom, whoom, stop, and switch, and back. Alright, so my arm, right arm here, is going from here, swing. Yeah, so I'm swinging it here in front of my chest, and then I want to bring it out and out to the front, right? So the right arm is going whoom, 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 actually here. So whoom and out. Just try that. Whoom and out. Swing in and out. Okay, so at the sound with the feet, we're gonna do the slow. Whoom, whoom, stops, and switch, and switch. Okay, let's just try that again, super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoom, whoom, stop, and switch, and switch. Okay, now let me just add the last thing. Here you just want to do body roll, yeah? So leading with your chest and doing something with your hips. Alright, so boom, boom, boom. Okay, now feel free to practice on your own. You probably need to practice this a few times. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so I hope you've practiced that a few times. Once you're ready, let's just try one last time, a bit faster. So this part, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Hey, hey, stop, and switch, switch. Hey. Okay, moving on to minute section 3, which is my favorite part. Let me just show you. It's this part. It goes ba, 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 hey, 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 hey. Okay, I know it looks tricky, but once you break it down, it's really simple. Alright, so let me explain. So what you want to do, let's just do the arms. The arms are saying pistol. Alright, so my right is pointing down, my left is pointing up. Yeah? Now I want to do it to the opposite side. Notice how I'm also a bit here to my left. Yeah, so I'm a bit turned to my left here. Now I want to go turn to my right here, and I want to switch. Boom. Alright? And then I want to do the switch, staying on the side. Boom. Now I want to do the switch again, but I want to do to the other side. Boom. But then this time I also want to clap and bring out my arms instead of doing pistols. And then I want to clap one last time. And then notice how my hand is like here, begging for something. And then I want to go hey, back. Okay, let me just try again, real slow here. So pistol, boom, down here, right? To my left. Now I want to turn to my right, switch, stay in your right. Now when you turn again and switch, you want to say clap, boom, and then clap again, but this time the right is here, say come here, back. So let me just show you one time here. Boom, 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 clap, here, come, here. Okay? Just try and practice that with me. We're gonna go slow, starting like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, and boom, 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 clap, clap, come, here. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 clap, clap, come, here. Let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, 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 clap, clap, come, here. Alright? Just try and practice on your own a million times. And then once you're ready, let's try and add the rest of the body. So the last bit of minute section 2 was this body roll here. Now we just want to take a step with the left here. So we face into the front, boom, and start shooting. Alright? From here, switch, switch. Now when you start doing the clap and the switch, you want to do a jump where you kick up your right. Yeah, so notice I'm jumping here. Jump. Yeah. Alright? So let me just show it again. Putting all my weight on my right and then going jump. Yeah. Right? So I'm doing a small karate kick here with my right. Hiya! Yeah. So at the same time, you also want to do this clap down. Okay? So from here, clap down, and then here, when you say come here, you just want to do a twist here with your right leg. Twist, twist. Okay? So let's just go a bit back. We did body roll, and then mini section 2, and mini section 3 says step, nothing, nothing, get ready for the kick, hiya, down, pull it, here, try that again, 5, get ready to say boom, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, switch, switch, and kick, down, twist, here. Let's try that one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, boom, switch, kick, down, and here. And again, this might seem tricky, but don't give up. Just practice more and more. Start slow and then gradually speed up, all right? Now, the final mini section, let me just quickly show you. So right after we did boom, 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 the rest is da, da, boom, and boom, ba, da, and boom, ba, da, All right, now let me explain. So, let's just see, from here, what you want to do is just take a step with your left to your left side like this, and you kind of want to face looking to your right. And then from here, you want to step in with your left, out with your right. Right now, you're looking to the opposite side. Pretty simple, right? So basically, what your feet are doing is just step in, out. Now the arms are saying, throw them opposite side of where you're stepping, back in, opposite. Yeah, so boom, 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 boom. Yeah, not that many times, but from here, let's see, boom, boom, boom. You're just doing here, in, other side. All right, let's move on. So from here, what you want to do is basically a freestyle. You can do whatever. I just do boom. Yeah, so you can do, I think someone does boom, boom. You can also do that, all right? So after the freestyle part, what comes next? Let's see. Yeah, it's boom, boom. So what you want to do is bring your arms like this, yeah, one over the other, and you just want to go here. Yeah, so you're pushing your chest back, and then you want to open up and switch here, here. Yeah, this basically is boom, 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 just 2 times. So you want to do boom and switch. All right, and then from here you want to do 2 pistols going out like that. Yeah, kind of following each other. Yes, 1, 2, and then you want to repeat it just to the opposite side. So you're going to go boom and then switch, boom, pistol, pistol, and that's it. All right, so let me just rewind here this mini section. So from here, we can swing your arms out, boom, again, opposite, and then freestyle, boom. Get ready to say collapse, switch, pistol, pistol, collapse inside, boom, and a switch, boom, pistol, pistol. That's it. Okay, let's just try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. 5. Let's start from this position, all right? And then step out. 5, 6, 7, 8, swing, and switch, and freestyle. Boom. Now get ready for new part. We say collapse, and switch, and pistol, pistol, collapse, collapse, and again, and pistol, pistol. Okay, one last time. 5, from this position. We're gonna step up. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom, and a freestyle. Get ready for new part. Boom, and boom, pistol, boom, boom, again, boom, boom, pistol, pistol. All right, guys, time to do it from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick run through and then we're gonna practice. Okay, so quick run through from the tip to top, starting with the body roll, 4 beats, boom, 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 turn, pull, hey, and then go up and say push, push. Now roll right, center, step, switch, 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 roll. Now pistol, boom, switch, switch, clap, down, hello, here, step out, swing, switch, switch, freestyle, boom. And then you wanna push chest, whoop, and switch pistol, 1, 2. Now again, boom, and boom, pistol, pistol. That's it. Alright, now let me explain the timing. I'm gonna try my best to hum the song, alright? I don't know the lyrics, so it goes something like this. Sifona, bum 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 bum, ba na na mum man da 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 da, ba 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 ba, ba da 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 bum ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da, freestyle na na na, boom ba and a boom ba da. Da, da. Alright guys, let's just try and practice super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba, 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 ba. Da, na, 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 ban, dan, da, 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 da. Ba, da, 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 da. Ba, da, 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 da. Da, na, 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 ban, ban. Na 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 na, da 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 da, boom na 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 na, humane da da, bombara, hey. Okay guys, let's try that a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, ba 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 ba, da da da, ba. Ba, ba na 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 na, ba na 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 na, da na na na, bam bam, ba na 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 na, ba na 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 na, boom na 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 na, da da da, pistol, pistol, dum ba da, yeah. Yeah. Alright guys, feel free to practice a million times more if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the real tempo, alright? 5, 6, 7, 8, ba 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 na na bum bum ba na na ba 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 da na bum bum ba na 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 ba 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 bum ba 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 bum ba ba and a bum ba boom boom. Alright guys, that's it for this Copines dance tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.